COCOME drew the attention of government and its contractor concerned to transport the urea fertilizers that are piling up at the platform of Jiribam railway station. Representatives of COCOME inspected the fertilizers that have been stored at the railway station under precarious condition. The COCOME team also spoke to various relevant authorities in this regard. Speaking to media, Assistant Coordinator of COCOME, Joy Chandra Kanthosam, expressed disappointment upon seeing the fertilizer, which is over 1,000 metric ton, exposing to rain and inclement weather. He further drew the attention of government and relevant authority to transport the fertilizers at the earliest, while highlighting the surge in price of fertilizers that causes inconveniences to farmers in getting their fertilizers at affordable price. Joy Chandra maintained that around 15,000 metric tons of fertilizers are required during the agricultural season. He asked the contractors why they took the tender if they are unable to fulfill their obligation of transporting the fertilizers. He also cautioned for stern hesitation if the authority concerned and contractors fails to provide the fertilizers to the farmers timely.
The urea se makha thang de mehi chele makha thang de na mathak thang bo ising chot kim ne matum tare si gi masang je urea nga tani urea ma yam se si bo kamai tong na lomi de pi du ri no ba moi na tong doi se si lainga na khang ga dabni pai ri bo officer sing khang ga dabni minister na khang ga dabne ba kari gi no mahi chelan da na laiba ki achuk chaw bo paisa mangan doi je kai gi no ba laiba ki paisa mangan ba ya ro hai bne ba lomi gi direct beneficiary de yo holu hai bani
railway station jida urea thambam se godown laitana thambani na urea sigi machumma thijina akoi kamai ta lo uba yadre sasan chire haire adu regati mafam sida godown thamba tangai phadeba sarkar da masi no tokchen biyo ba miyam na hairi base miyam gi phanana bugini sarkar je khoi imai pani godown yaudana heta ground level jida thamaga akoi urea se thamguni haibise ata ba min wakhal yaud bo ina logani akoi godown mathau tai aduga hauji urea sing je private godown da khillaga tumin thammi du su masi loina chingthokyu akoi loina khangi akoi taseng Sebab faktor pematam da masi akai bu loi oigani longmi singida hang malagadi miam changna longmi singa manaraga irang strike tor kani ha che lengang na khangdam ni ha si miam da thamde